Hello, what's up guys? My name is Kasan Farli, and in this video I am going to show you that how you can integrate WhatsApp chat into your WordPress based website. So if you want to learn that how you can integrate the WhatsApp feature in your WordPress website, then without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard, and from your WordPress dashboard you will have to go to this plugins, and then from plugins you will click on this add new, and from this add new you will search for WP chat app, and from here this one you will see click to chat app. Click on install now on this. You can see it have 100,000 plus active installation and is last updated 6 days ago and currently compatible with current version of WordPress. So it's installing now. Alright, so once it will get installed, what you want to do is to click on this activate button, and once you will click on activate, you will see this new option in your WordPress dashboard. So click on this social chat, and from the social chat you will see all of these options. They have a premium version as well. If you want, you can check that out, but for this video we are only looking at the free version of this social chat app. This is the button option. So in the layout you will choose the button, or you can also choose the bubble. For the box, you can choose enable contact box or disable contact box. So for example, if you choose enable contact box, it will say please set the contact phone number in the contacts tab. So we'll have to insert the phone number. So let's just insert the phone number first. So in the first name you can type in your name, and the last name you can type in your last name, and for the phone number type in your phone number. So I'll type in my WhatsApp number here. Alright, so label, you can set the label to support or contact me. Available hours, you can define them here. So maybe from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and here you can define the time zone. So I think this -7, and then from here you can choose the available days. So Sunday is off, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, Saturday included as well. And here after that you cannot edit this message in their free version, and then from here you can choose the image. So I'll quickly search for WhatsApp image on Google. I'll download one of these images, so maybe like this image. I'll click on save image as, and then I want to save this image on my desktop. I'll upload this image here, and then I'll insert this image here. After that, what I want to do is to click on this save button. You're saying it says please match the requested format. So the format is incorrect. Alright, now it gets saved. Next option we have is this visibility. So you want to display this on all devices. You don't have an option to actually choose between these in the free version. So we'll simply click on this close button here. So here you can see it is here. Here is the button options. We already have set it up, so we don't have to worry about this. Whether you want it to be rounded, so make it rounded. The position bottom right is fine. There's the icon, the text, and there's the message. So I'll hit save button here, and now if I go to the website, you can see here we have how can I help you. If I click on this, you can see contact me, and if I click on this one, it will take me to web.whatsapp.com. So in this way you can integrate the WhatsApp to your WordPress website. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you have learned something new from this video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.